You've joined me here today in the heart of Warwick town centre, just a short walk to Priory Park, where we've got this absolutely exquisite 5 double-bedroom townhouse. Property offers generous living accommodation with a stunning kitchen dining living room which opens out onto a south-facing rear garden. Let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this amazing property. You've joined me in the south-facing landscape rear garden of this wonderful home. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.